Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Arty Vibes by Sanika, and today we are going to draw this simple beautiful rose with color pencils. So I have taken all the shades of pink and I have drawn a very simple light rose with a pencil on my sketchbook. This is a A5 size sketchbook and the link of the same is there in the description below this video, so you can check it out. It is of amazing quality, so you can buy it out from there if you want. So I am starting with a mid-toned pink that I have. You can use any similar color that you have and just observe the strokes that I am doing. I am just putting a lot of pressure at the corners when I am starting with the strokes, and as I am going in the central part, I am just slightly lifting up my pencil slowly so that I get a lighter stroke. So just keep observing. I am doing it with the same shade, so I'll be doing it for the entire flower. So just carefully observe the kind of strokes that I am giving and just see where I am making them a slightly darker and slightly lighter, and do accordingly in your books as well. Side petals, I have done it a bit lightly because I didn't want them to get too dark. And now I have taken the light pink color pencil that I have, and with that I am just going over the previous color again and just doing more in the white part with the pencil to get a nice shade from dark to light. So these are the Staedtler color pencils that I am using, and if you wish to buy them, the link of those is also there in the bio, so you can check it out. So these work really well for beginners. So if you are just going to start with color pencils, then I'll definitely suggest you to buy these because they are really smooth and blend really well with vibrant color. So right now I'm not just pressing it too much. You can see the white spaces are visible. So that is what you get when you don't press your pencil too much on the paper. And I am deliberately doing this because I want to achieve that certain effect on the flower. So while you are doing this with me, just carefully observe the kind of strokes that I am giving, and you will be able to figure out slightly on the amount of the darkness and the lightness of the pencil that how much pressure I might be applying. So now I am just going in with some white color pencil, just slightly blending in the whites, the highlighted parts of the flower. And in some areas with the light pink color. which we started, and with this I am just slightly going to add the darker parts a bit more. So just observe the direction in which I am putting the strokes, because they are really important in this kind of a sketch. Also make sure that you don't just completely darken up all the parts, because it will ruin your complete drawing. So we want the parts to be lighter in some areas and darker in some areas, so as to depict the shades and shadows and everything which actually fall on the flower. So that is why we are using different shades for this. So if you don't have the exact same shades that I am using, don't worry, you can just use the similar kind of shades that are available, or else you can also use some different colors, like maybe shades of red or blue or purple, anything will do. So we'll continue adding the darker and lighter areas in places which are necessary. So keep observing nicely and do it with me. Meanwhile, if you are not following me on Instagram yet, you can definitely follow me on Arty Vibes by Sanika. So if you try out any of my paintings, you can just post it on Instagram by tagging me, or else you can DM me on Instagram, so that I'll be able to see your works if you created from my tutorials. Also, if you are interested in taking up my classes, I am also a teacher on Skillshare. So if you want, I can give you a 14 days free trial to try out all my classes on Skillshare. So if you just register via my link, which is there in the description, then you can get complete 14 days free Skillshare trial, in which you can take up all my classes for unlimited number of times. And if you like them, you can then continue with a paid membership, or else you can just discontinue after your free trial ends. So now if you observe, I have taken one more darker shade, and I am using that to highlight some more areas with dark color. Apart from that, if you want to know more in detail about different types of materials I use, or something like different techniques, or about Instagram algorithm and how to post your arts, then you can definitely check out my blogs. The link for the blogs is also mentioned in the description, so just scroll down and tap on the link so that you will be able to access and read my blogs as well. Also, if you have yet not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do subscribe by tapping on the subscribe button below and press the bell icon to get regular updates on my new videos. Okay, so now the basic flower is completed. We'll just add a few more darker shade to this. So I'm taking a maroon color from my color pencils, and I'll use that to highlight a bit more areas to make it slightly darker, so as to enhance the entire flower totally. So see, you can see how it completely changes the look once we add a few more darker strokes here and there. So just observe the places in which I am adding those and continue adding your own. little bit of black color and add a few dark lines here and there to just increase some depth in this flower. Don't overdo this with the black one. Also make sure that you don't actually go and border your entire flower with this color, because it will not look good. So just use it in very specific little areas. Just observe where I am using it and use it there only. Don't overdo it, please. So now the rose flower is done, and we use the greens now to just add on the bottom portion and the little stem, and then our flower will be done. So I'll be slightly using similar techniques for the greens as well. So you can take a medium green, a lightest green and a darker green to do these, and just observe the strokes that I am making and the dark and lights that I am using, and complete your flower accordingly. So now our painting is completed, and hope you enjoyed doing it. If you try it out, do let me know on Instagram.